so much, Nitin. I always feel such training experiences are very important because obviously we get to learn from the facilitator and from the participants from their experiences, and you'll get this wide variety, people coming from different industries, and also this has helped me in that. Hopefully, I have got connections where we would continue these discussions. I loved the discussions that would happen in the breakout rooms as well. So that's one thing that I really liked about the session, that it's not theory, it had practical projects. One thing I've noticed that though I felt that, okay, हाँ ये concept आ गया, but when you actually work on the project, you'll realize that what all hiccups you'll go through. And those are important. I think like every training program, we say this is not the end of the training or learning. This is actually the beginning of these concepts. Some of the concepts were known to me, but there are multiple concepts that now we'll start using, implementing, and that's where our real on-the-job learning would happen. And would love to stay connected with all of you for that part of learning as well. So thank you.